sorry.
Oh, they heard me.
Gustav! What the fuck is going on?
The police were after me,
He's
dude.
after me. I have the police behind me, bro.
Screen inside the big one.
Yeah, it's nice.
My brother was planning on buying a G-Wagon, but the one that he put an offer up on just got sold, so he's trying to find another one.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Alright, who's leading?
The horde den her.
Corvette looks like it's leading.
Oh.
Jeez.
That was nice.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Who's ever in the Euros just trying to kill me, dude? Oh, who's in the Beamer, bro? Chillax.
Fuck this shit, bro. I wanna be behind Daniel in the G-Wagon, my bro. Oh, Slay Queen.
Look where you're
hell,
going.
now what did I say?
These guys are the slave queen, bro.
Oh, fuck!
Jesus, yes, man.
It came out my
shit.
Oh my god. Guys, chill.
Does the police lights work on the police car?
I'm on 40.
Should be.
How? How do I do?
Boom.
Oh, the MR40 crashed.
Where do people go?
Wait. To the Kirby works.
Oh, hey Daniel.
That's why I'll chase this M3
Just
down.
the fucking bucket.
Is the M3 leading? No, what the fuck? What car is this? See that?
Oh, fucking dead! Shit! Oh man, the G-Wagon just fucking pushed me into it.
Yeah, I have to be long.
Oh, he executed me.
Oh, Jesus.
Not gonna lie, I'm just vibing right now and chilling to some music. Driving a G80.
Has it snowed where you guys
I'm
are
in
at?
the stage sandwich. This, oh my god, stop hitting me.
Is it snowing where you guys are at?
Oh, in Norway?
Yeah, well, where you guys are at?
Yeah, no, it just got away. Like, it was snow, but it's gone now.
Yeah, I fucking hate when it's cold but no snow. It's kind of useless.
Yeah, it is. Not gonna lie. God, I crashed at the man.
Snow was the best shit ever.
Yeah.
Especially for rear-wheel drive cars, bro.
Yeah, my brother nearly crashed his M3.
Nearly.
Yeah.
Man, I was like drifting and shit, but I feel like dumb tread on that bit, man.
The fuck?
Oh, someone's in the middle of the room.
No, I also almost crashed. Almost hit the wall. It's got some shit wheels on the car.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, sorry.
Thing is though, you can also drift with the front-wheel drive cars, which is also
Who's in the F80 competition in front of me?
Oh, you're stuck. Whoever's in the M3 E39.
Who is in this M3 F80 competition?
Oh, scheisse.
Might not be solution.
Oh god damn, he just nearly spun out in front of me.
Oh, why does that M140 sound like a V8 as well?
Everything is a V8, bro.
Yeah.
Does
And then I
anybody
think
know
there's
who's leading?
Yeah, there's M3 F80 not in the voice chat though.
Is he racing?
Holy, the Brabus is fast.
Jeg elsker at overleve 5 personer, der Volkswagen.
Oh, the F80 crashed.
Gustav skal se det. Jeg sidder bare og kører meget hurtigt af andre, og synes det var lidt sjovt med sådan en stor bil.
Oh, it's so nice racing from the back because you can overtake it.
Oh, they heard me.
Skal vi køre race, eller hvad?
Prøv at se! Bro,
crashed and I was just overtook and then he just comes in speed, trying to overtake me again.
Kids.
Wait, I'm gonna check his name actually.
Oh no, I killed myself. Oh,
Oh.
fuck yeah.
Civic 1-1.
Oh!
I made it so far. I drove off into this football field. Let's go fast, let's go fast. Jump over it. Alright,
Okay, I'm at the gas station
Stop.
anyway,
Elevator.
guys.
Steffi, Steffi, oh my god.
Gustav, what the fuck is going on?
The police were after me, dude.
Oh, I can see that.
Meet us at the driving.
That's not right. You're going the wrong way, bro. Okay.
Who's leading?
Nah, I'm going the right way. What are you talking
RS5.
about?
I guess I'll lead.
Oh, you already? Yeah.
Yeah. What car are you in, Gustavkti?
The RS4 ABT, the wagon. Whoa.
I have my lights on.
Oh.
Oh, I nailed this corner, man. Such a weird corner. There's nothing like it.
Sorry.
God damn. God damn, bro.
What the fuck?
Who's in the E92,
Did
bro?
a M140 just come
Yeah.
the opposite
Oh
way?
god damn. Oh god damn.
Who crashed? Who caused it?
Fucking the what car was that? Like I don't know, the
Well, that
E92
140.
M3.
No,
Semi
not
crack.
the fire, but not there.
Well, M140 came opposite way.
Oh, I had the police after me. I have the police behind me, bro.
Are we in the F80?
I'm in the G80.
Wait, what? Okay, man.
The Aston. Going at Mach 3. You just blocked me. What are you doing?
I'm going Mach 1.
Okay, we need to kick the M140.
The M1 just blocked me, bro. Just...
Holy!
Mach 1. Oh,
He just blocked me.
bro, who the fuck is this pussy ass? Oh,
Relax.
it's a police escort.
Alright, I think you can go, please. Chill cruise. I just see the Mustang and the G87 doing. I gotta join them.
Oh, I know, I got raped by police there.
Oh, that's so funny.
Bro, where is this man going, bro?
Oh, I can see the smoke here.
Beat up on his man on
Just wait on people.
Oh. Thanks for the help.
Can we do like RP if there's like cops that actually pull you over? That would actually live.
Oh, we had it a while. I don't know.
Yeah, we done that long ago.
It would be fun to do again.
Could do drag race or RP?
With police like blocking up roads and shit. Can we do that?
How many police cars do we have? 3, right? Yeah.
Can we do that? I'm still getting the prop right now.
Where are you guys?
Oh, bro.
Highway.
The highway tunnel thingy.
Does somebody want to drag race the police real quick?
Oh,
Yeah, I want to drag race the police. Alright, G80
you
versus
go ahead.
police.
Bro,
Don't watch. Oh,
I'm-
God, Seppi.
Sebby, you are fucking failing your fucking braking points all the time.
Keep crashing together.
Can you back the fuck off from your asshole, bro?
Somebody do a
Alright.
countdown.
Wait. We need to raise the turret.
Alright, I'm racing the turret.
Sorry.
It's a race. It's a big race. Alright, ready?
Okay, then now wait. Okay, so let me so people can line up.
No,
Alright.
not yet. Let's just do some rounds.
Oh, okay. Then
Countdown in chat.
okay. Yeah.
One crash, two
Crashing.
crashes, 3 crashes, 4 crashes.
Beep.
Oh, the Brad was just scared the crap
5
out of me.
crashes, 6 crashes, 7 crashes.
I made it without crashing, bro.
Really?
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was okay, Feather.
Of course.
Yeah, everyone's welcome.
I thought I may be too late.
I'm so dumb.
Someone
I'm
was-
so sorry.
Somebody
Oh.
try again.
Not really.
Because you lost, right? Yeah. Bro, it's a sleeper, you know.
Seriously.
We'll do some rounds. Race.
Oh, I'm fucked right now. I'm
Good job. You needed to crash.
fucked. Also a G80 crash. Oh, my game.
my goodness.
My
My game crashed.
Yeah,
Oh.
everybody just crashed.